Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Lauren. How are you?
I'm very good. It's good to see you.
Yeah, it's good to see you too.
I was just checking and we haven't spoken to each other since I think it says May last year or something like that. I think I just looked it up. Yep,
Yeah,
March last year.
yeah. So, how have you been?
I have been good. Currently I'm in Scotland at the moment, with my mum, but autumn is in full effect over here in the UK. What
Yeah,
about what about where you are?
yeah, I'm at home. Maybe you remember my room. It's all the
Yes, I
same.
do recognize it.
Yeah, I'm just I've been doing my internship during the last 20 days, and I will
Okay.
and the I mean, tomorrow will be my last day, last
Okay.
internship day. Yeah, after that, I will go to Izmir to do a 3 days vacation.
Okay. Because
Yeah,
your university is in Izmir, right?
yeah. And after 3 days, I will just go back to home and rest for another one day at home and go
Okay.
to university.
I
Yeah.
see. So like why are you deciding to like go to Izmir, then go back home and then go back to Izmir? Like is Izmir quite close to where you live that you can do that trip?
Yeah, actually, it's close, but how can I explain? Actually, I was a full of I was very full during the summer, to be
Like you've
honest.
been really busy.
Yeah, I've been really busy, and I just at the end of the semester, I just went to summer school to my
Mm.
university again because I need to just give some of my lectures and that I didn't just pass in the
Okay.
semester. Yeah, and after that, I have to do my internship because I just finished the fourth semester, so
Right.
I just passed to the third grade, and I have to do my first internship, and I've done that. It will finish tomorrow, and I have to go
Have some
to.
like downtime, right? You
Yeah,
want to have some
uh,
downtime and
yeah,
relax.
yeah. I need to rest, so that's why I was very busy.
Mm. And so, like, over your internship, this is the first internship you've ever done.
Yeah,
So,
true.
what was your experience like? Did you have any surprises? What difficulties did you like face?
Actually, the biggest surprise was I I was asking the engineers to give me some work. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, actually, yeah, you get really bored during the internship because gen you in the first week you just observe everything, just
Mm.
visit different departments in the factory, but after that you just I mean you left with nothing to do. So um
Right.
that's why I was asking extra work from engineers, but actually, the most factories, probably what happens is it's all the same most of the time.
Like
Uh,
it's very repetitive.
yeah, repetitive, and um, what is producing is the same, what they
Yeah.
do is the same, and most of the time they just taking care with the machines. Is there a problem? Blah blah
Mm.
blah. Everything is most of the time same. So that was the biggest surprise for me. I I got really bored,
Mm.
um, but luckily I have a few friends to talk with during the internship. I mean, the other interns
Okay,
like
so
me. Yeah,
there was quite a few interns who were doing
yeah,
this internship.
yeah. And I observed a lot, so it was quite good for me.
And this internship, it's like in the area of engineering that you're studying at the moment.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
uh,
like, hypothetically, when you graduate, you would go into this environment afterwards.
yeah. Actually, probably you know the Bosch company, the Bosch.
Yes. Yeah, Bosch. Yeah.
Yeah, the Bosch has a factory in Manisa. So I've completed my internship there. So um, yeah, they basically produce heat exchangers, pipes, basically the combi parts.
Right.
Yeah, that's
And
what they do.
so like you're hoping now that you've finished your you did your internship in Manisa, which is where you live.
Yeah.
So are you hoping like once you graduate that you would go back there? Or like what's your goal? Are you wanting to stay in Manisa or are you wanting to maybe go to a different city?
Uh, Actually, if you ask me, I don't prefer to go there. Yeah, it's a very good company compared to the others in terms of the meals and the yeah, and in environment. Yeah, that these are really true. Believe it or not, it's true.
I
And
mean, I don't know if people pick their jobs based on the meals provided.
yeah, also environment, of course, and the production processes are really clean for
Mm,
your health. But
mm,
in the terms of, am I really interested in that
mm.
factory? Probably not, because I don't, I don't have too much option to do in that factory.
Like
And
you don't have so many options based on like what you are interested in your like
yeah,
engineering
yeah,
career.
also in my about my department also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, that's all.
Yeah. But sometimes it's good to go and do something and then you'll know whether you like it or not, right? Because sometimes
Yeah.
people, they set a goal for themselves. They feel like, I should do this. Maybe other people think that you should do this. And then you go and do it and then you don't like it. It doesn't live up to your expectations.
Yeah. Yeah. Really true.
And
Experiencing the bad and good things really important.
for sure. And I think that's also why, like, in general, university is good because even if you don't like your course, it's good to know at the beginning rather than after you've graduated and you have to start all over again. So I think, like, these things in life are good to help you learn what you like because in high school, you're not prepared for the subjects that you study at university. You have no idea what it's going to be like when you
Yeah.
actually go.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, in high school we just see the small part of the iceberg.
Right, yes. That's
Yeah.
just like the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
But the thing is, like with things like engineering, which is so popular nowadays because it has so many different areas, when you're in school, you actually don't know what an engineer actually does. You don't know what they study. You don't know anything. You just have this idea that you must study like maths and physics and then go to university and study it. But when you
Yeah.
actually go there, the reality is different, I think.
Yeah. Uh, I mean, you see the machines, computers, everything around ourselves, but we don't know how they work.
Right.
Basically, the engineers just study these kind of things.
Mm,
First of all, we just examine how the things work. I mean, starting from the beginning, really beginning.
right.
Yeah, and after that, after graduation, you need to think yourself, maybe try to something I mean, try to build something new maybe, or just improve it by yourself. Um, Maybe you need something different at where you work, just you need to improve it through
Right.
that way.
Mm-hmm. And so for you, once you graduate, what area are you wanting to get into now?
Mm,
Or you just
um,
have no idea? Or you're just going to take it step by step? Because like sometimes when you think about life post graduation, it seems really far away and you don't know what opportunities are available and waiting for you once you finish.
yeah. Um, ac yeah, my dream is to work in defense factory in my
Okay.
country first.
Mm.
Yeah, but first of all, I have no idea where I will work
Yeah.
because I need to make some experience for sure.
Yes, I think that is important. And so like when you get these internships, how do you go about applying for one? Do you do it through the university or do you reach out to the company themselves?
Yeah, first of all, I need to reach out the company itself, and they they have they just release some dates that you can apply for internships, and
Right.
you
So
just
for
follow
example,
them.
like August to September, because I guess
Yeah,
like they probably had interns all throughout the summertime.
yeah, yeah, and you apply for it, wait for the response, and if it's positive, you just step to the next interview, and
Hmm.
if you pass that, so you're okay, you're in.
Yes.
Yeah,
And so, are you looking forward to going back to university, or do you think like, as every year goes by, the years get more serious and more tough?
yeah. um can I ask the question again? I missed
Are
the
you
first part.
sorry, are you looking forward to going back to university?
Yeah, because I have to, and
Well, yes.
yeah, and also I'm a bit curious about what I will learn in the next semester, because um, I'm not a very hardworking student, but yeah, that's true. But I still really curious about learning.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I wouldn't go to university.
Well, that's true. But I
Yeah.
think like once even if you're not extremely like hardworking, sometimes it's about working smart, right? Like if you're studying all the time and nothing's going in, then it's not really working. It's kind of about finding the right strategy to get where you need to be and get the grades that you need to get.
Yeah, yeah. Most of the time, I just try to really learn the subjects, not to just memorize them.
Right.
And because of that, I I have some timing problems during the exams, because there are some formulas everywhere you need to memorize maybe, and
Right.
yeah.
Yeah,
uh,
it can be hard to recall like certain things under pressure, especially.
yeah, and because we have, for example, 6 lectures in one semester, just studying all of them and trying to learn everything um, without memorizing is really, really hard. And yeah,
Yeah, it's
that's
like
that's why I'm
information
struggling.
overload.
Yeah,
Right. Well, I wish you all the luck for this year and enjoy your little vacation break in Izmir. It was
thank
really
you.
nice to talk to you and catch up with you today. And,
Yeah,
keep in touch with me as always.
of
It,
course, of course.
and thank you for coming.
Welcome.
See you soon. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.